Hello friends, welcome to my channel Think Different. So in this video we'll be learning how to solve a regular 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So let us get started with the process. I'll be teaching you the beginner's method. So let us see the algorithms we'll be needing for solving this cube. Now the algorithms we'll be needing are three algorithms. The first one is known as the right algorithm, which says R U R prime U R U U R prime. And the second one is the left algorithm, is the second one, L U U L prime U L U L prime. And the final algorithm we'll be needing for solving this cube is R prime F R prime B2 R F R prime B2 R2 U prime. So I'm telling you how we'll be solving this cube. First of all, let us give it a good and nice scramble. So there will be different steps in order to solve this cube. So in the first step, what we'll be doing is that we'll be solving a layer correctly as we have did in our ordinary 3x3 Rubik's cube. In that way we'll be solving the first layer in that way. Okay, so that I'll be teaching you, no need to worry, I'm just showing you. We have solved it, and in the next case we'll be just trying to finish the top layer that I'm doing, and then we'll be solving the cube. We may need or may not need the last algorithm for this. So let us get started with the process. Now let us give it a good scramble. Now as we have did in our regular 3x3 Rubik's cube, we'll be choosing any color. I would strictly recommend you to be color neutral in this case, because if you're color neutral you can solve the cube in a very short period of time, that is within 15 seconds or 20 seconds. If you have a good hand, a tricky hand, you can solve it easily. So I think in order to solve this cube, the best color to start from will be yellow, because it has already formed two pairs and we'll only need to solve these two phases. So I can search for another phase, which is this one. I think this is a blue and red phase, so I think this one will be going over here. So let us put it in that way. If you don't know how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's cube, you can go to my channel and see the video. You can see I've put the yellow one over there, and the only piece left is this one. So I think the piece we are searching for is this one. So let's push this piece over here. So let us bring it directly above it. You can see it's above it, and now we'll be placing it. It's put. You can see the first layer is being solved. Now all it's left is to solve the second layer. In order to solve the second layer, we'll be taking the help of our right and left algorithms. Now how? We have to remember that the side we're solving is yellow, so the opposite side in this case will be white. If we are solving green, the opposite side will be blue. If we are solving red, the opposite side will be orange. So as this is yellow, this side needs to be a white. Now we'll be observing for some cases. As you can see in this case, the white is on the left hand bottom side. So in this case we'll be applying the right algorithm once. Now if it doesn't solve the upper layer, we will see that this piece has gone here. We'll bring it again over here and apply it another time, and then it will be solved. Now if the case is somewhat like this, the white is at the top left, then we'll be using our left algorithm. And if that again doesn't solve and the piece comes over here, we'll be putting the cube over here and we'll be applying it once more. These are the two possible cases. Now one more possible case can happen, which I'll be teaching you after a bit of time. So now as for now, it's on the left hand side bottom, so we'll be applying the right algorithm. That is R U R prime U R U U R prime. You see it doesn't get solved, the piece has gone over there. So let us twist the cube and bring it here. We'll applying the algorithm once more. R U R prime U R U U R prime. Now you can see that already one phase is solved and the top layer is also solved. Now as this green phase is solved, we'll be bringing this phase over the green one. You can see. And now it's time for us to apply the last algorithm to swap these two pieces. You can see easily that this is the red and this is the blue phase. So this red and blue phase, this piece, corner piece will be coming over here, and this orange and blue piece will be going over here. That is, they have to be swapped with each other. So in this case we will be applying the final algorithm, which I'm showing to you once more. You can see that the final algorithm says R prime F R prime B2 R F R prime B2 R2 U prime. You can take a screenshot if you like, the three algorithms. Okay, so now we'll be holding the two pieces on our side which are to be swapped, and we're applying the algorithm. R prime F R prime B2 R F R prime B2 R2 U prime. And congratulations, you solved the entire Rubik's Cube, which means that this video was helpful for you in solving this 22 Rubik's Cube. Now I'm telling for one more case which can happen. Now let's give it a good scramble, and I'll be showing you the another case that can happen while solving this cube. Now this is another case that can happen while you are solving the 2x2 color cube, that you have solved the first layer. In my case I've taken as white. You can see the first layer is solved. I strictly recommend you to be color neutral. And on the opposite side of white we know that it's yellow, but here is no yellow piece on the top side. If it was over here, we could have applied our right algorithm. If it was here, we could have applied our left algorithm. If it could have been here, we would have twisted it over here and could have applied our right algorithm in this way. But here we cannot apply any right or left algorithm because no piece is at the top. What is there? Here are two yellow pieces and here are also two yellow pieces. It's not at the top. Now we need to observe the case. You can see that these two yellow pieces are like headlights which are pointing in the same direction, and these two yellow pieces are like headlights which are pointing towards the opposite directions. So if this is the case, we'll be holding the cube in such a way that the two opposing headlights is towards our right side, that you can see this one, and the two equal headlights, that is the facing in the same direction, are on our left side, and we are applying the right algorithm once and the left algorithm once. If the case was two yellow colored blocks on the left hand side and two yellow colored blocks on the right hand side, both are pointing in the same direction, the case is a bit different. You try to understand that these two blocks are on the left side pointing towards the same direction, and these two blocks are also pointing towards the same direction. We'll be applying the right algorithm only twice, but now as the case suggests, we'll be applying the right ones and the left ones. So let us go and apply it. R U R prime U R U U R prime L U U L prime U L U L prime. Now you can see that this layer is solved and the top layer is also solved. So as this one is solved, we'll be moving it to the face, which will be completing this surface, that this in our case is green. So these two pieces need to be swapped. So applying the last algorithm, that is R prime F R prime B2 R F R prime B2 R2 and U prime. So this solves our entire 22 Rubik's Cube or color cube, whatever you can say. So guys, if you like this video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, you click that red button to watch new videos when I release them. Thank you for watching.